Alright, still rolling. What the hell? It's amazing, huh?
Yeah.
Frederick, Maryland. I think I've said that. Jesus. Incredible. Can't imagine someone driving out in this tonight. Oh my God. Expecting about 29 to 32 inches of snow. How are you going to measure it in this? All right, go back in and get warm. Wow. It is a blizzard. Frederick, Maryland. You get a good shot over there. Incredible. Wow. So I can zoom in a little bit. Holy moly. Of course, nice heavy band coming across right now. See if I can get video over here. Incredible. Jeez. Yes. I say sustained wind right now, probably 35, 40 miles an hour at least. Get some. Once in a lifetime blizzard. No lightning and thunder yet. You never know. Alright, update later.